scenes at the base camp. Finished breakfast, warming up, bags collected.
Okay. काय पाहिजे तुला? Almost out of Gaichwangao.
पानी पी लो पानी.
Preeti, Poppy, say hi. Chinny. This is one of our break points. It's 10:15, I think, 1.5 hours since the climb, and we entered the forest after this. Beautiful views. That's Neetu. Poppy being our trek leader for the day. Chinny, Page, repacking. Preeti.
There's frost all over the bike, on the ground. So cold overnight. Just about to get into the forest, leaving this scene behind, and the tree line starts.
Yeah, we are now entering the beautiful forest.
This is lovely over here, look. Show this side.
1 second. So this is break point before we enter the forest. Amazing food. And after this, we enter the forest. There. People are hogging this food. This is like second breakfast. Still doesn't seem like we have eaten enough. This is the third or fourth helping.
So we're moving from oak forests higher up into pine forests. Here in the Sevaya forests, because everywhere at the bottom we have pine leaves which look like this. Lots of frost, in fact. Let me show you this. Wow. Wow. And despite the sun being up at 11:30 am on a sunny day. Snow cone, anyone?
Yes, Poppy, what are you going to do? Oh, stumps. It's a beautiful snow and Christmas trees around. So pretty. It has shed its skin. Amazing. It's just the skin.
Snow prints. Yay.
The entire trek has turned into, or the trail has turned into a snow trail. This is where I have to go.
Armed, loaded.
Another element now? Yes. Yes.
Dude, if this is the first snowball fight for you also, you would have energy. I think I have a plan. Ah, damn.
Okay, one more. Oh shit!
Not tight enough. And the final ascent to lunchtime. It's 2:30 p.m. बहुत भूख लगी है.
I hope you remember me.
Of course, of course.
Hoping to see you on another trek.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I'll murder you.
बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया है. सेकंड ट्रैक करना ही करना है.
Now this is totally feeling like a snow trek. Completely carpeted. But the end is nigh. Campsite! Hi. Uttam bhai, धन्यवाद. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Good job, dude.
Yes sir, we will play with you.
Julota. all the tents, everyone here. That's, yeah, 2:45 and we reached. Amazing blue skies. कड़ी चावल, सब्जी, पापड़,
Whenever you walk. अगर जरूरत पड़े तो इसको